Divine decree for the green flame and the emerald order. In the name of the infinite Creator, by the power of the green flame of healing and renewal, I call forth the sacred energies of the emerald order, guardians of truth, harmony, and divine balance. May the radiant green flame ignite within my heart, restoring vitality, wholeness, and divine perfection. I decree the healing of my body, mind, and spirit, cleansing all that is not aligned with my highest good. By the wisdom of the emerald order, I call for the activation of divine knowledge within me. Let the codes of harmony and peace awaken, guiding my actions with clarity and purpose. With the green flame, I purify my path, anchoring light and love into the earth's grids. I decree balance in all relationships and creations, bringing forth a world of unity and compassion. I am a vessel of the green flame's divine grace. I am aligned with the Emerald Order's sacred mission. I am a beacon of healing and renewal for the planet. So it is, and so it shall be. Amen.